What's up everybody, it's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2011 Harley Davidson 883N. It is the Nighster, and we're going to take a quick walk around this thing and you can see it up close and personal. If you're watching this video, I'm assuming you're interested in this particular bike, so we're going to cover things as detailed as possible. Starting here with the rear tire. Rear tire's in nice shape. I'm going to call that like 50%. Definitely good to go to pass inspection. A lot of miles left on it. As you can see, it's got the shorty fender here. So it is missing the one cap here on the turn signal / brake light. Just to know that is not there. That would be an easy fix to get one of those. As you can see, the other one is there. So come up here, it's painted like the flat black. Flat black is cool. I think it's a nice look. It does tend to show some imperfections a little sooner, like even like right there, just a little mark. You can barely even see it, but on the flat black it shows up. Coming around the side, it is belt driven, so there's the belt, back to the rear sprocket. You see the rear tire there, and the rear wheel. That is all good to go. There's the rear shocks. And there's the exhaust. Got your passenger peg, rider peg, brake, rear brake. Got your oil reservoir here on the side. So there's a little bit of residue here. I'm not sure if like somebody spilled something on it or whatever, but that is there on that side cover on top of that oil reservoir. Up here in the tank, got a little, got some little mark there, a little mark there, and some little light scratches here on the side. That is that. Again, there's the Harley badge painted on the side of the tank. Got the air cleaner, got the motor in here. Try to get all that stuff. There you go. Spin it around a little bit. It is a Nighster, so it has this little like club style fairing with this little windshield on it. I think it fits. I think it fits the bike. Maybe get like a little bit shorter of a windshield, but that is that. Turn signal, back with the handlebars and everything. Get the fork tubes here. They're all good to go. There you can see that front wheel matches the back wheel. Fork tube on this side. There's the there's the side of the tank here. Again, you can see just some little marks that show up just because it is flat black. There's that. There's some little marks right there. Got the motor. Then here we got the peg, rider peg, shifter, passenger peg, got your kickstand there. Got the side cover. Again, just a little bit of residue there on that side cover. Not sure what would have caused that. There's your swing arm, back to the rear wheel. There's your rear brake, rear shocks. Up here you can see the passenger seat, rider seats, all one piece. All the stitching is looking good. I don't see any tears or rips anywhere. There's that. We already saw this little mark here on the tank earlier. Coming up over the top, looking good. Got your fuel cap, your clutch, all your controls, high beam, low beam, horn, turn signal. Here you got your kill switch, starter, turn signal, whatnot. Down here's the ignition, turn it on. 6,328 miles. There'll be a few more than that after the test drive. If you're interested in this bike, make sure you check out the test drive. It's fired up so you can hear it run. that side. You can see the LED headlight. Turn signal on that side. There's the rear. And there is that side, the one without the cover. That is that. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2011 Harley Davidson 883N. It's the Nighster. Do not miss out on this bike, and thanks so much for watching.